Hello friends, it was one company, now another company is added, something really very fantastic. So we welcome you to this video here, and I'm your coordinator as usual, Anil Sharma. Friends, all of you know that Corona has changed our lifestyle dramatically. Data usage has gone up everywhere, at the working place and at the same time at home. You will find everybody is using only data and data. Now, which group has acquired data provider companies? Some people who are money, they really have a vision. They know actually what is the future of the country and the countrymen. So the group which has acquired data provider companies is Mukesh Ambani led Reliance Group. Earlier, you know that Reliance had created a digital platform within Reliance, that is of Reliance Jio. And friends, now Reliance Group on 28th of February, I believe, or 22nd of February, they acquired DEN Network and Hathway Cables. Now this chemistry of these two, that means DEN Network and Hathway Cables, this is something which is written very long. I will explain you in a very short way that Reliance has Jio number one with it, and Reliance also had with them TV18 broadcast, in which we see CNBC, Awaaz, Colors channels and all that. And now with Network 18, that means existing Network 18, from 18th February 2020, Hathway and DEN Network both have been merged and the business is in progress. Let us understand actually what is the business of Hathway Cables and DEN Networks. See, this is actually basically I have written for DEN Network, and Hathway Cable is similar business and is additional. So just let me read it now. This DEN Network cable provider provides cable TV entertainment services to plus 13 million subscribers across 13 states and in 450 cities of India. Company has been a front runner in the digitization of Indian cable television and has 8.5 million digital subscribers. Great. Cable offers 450 channels and up to 45 HD channels and spanning across all major genres and the languages. Lastly, HD PVR Lite is a company premier high definition offering with recording facilities and offering storage up to 1 TB. This of course we all have at our homes. Now let us actually see the three companies which are in the fray, the data providers, the main three companies, and these three companies are GTPL, DEN Network and Hathway. Now GTPL actually is already existing for quite some time, and these two now have been taken by the Reliance Group. Friends, if you really see, there have not been, for the last 1 year, I am just comparing it from June 19 to June 20. If you really see, there has not been a much change anywhere. There has not been, but from the month of March onwards, there has been a substantial change because of the usage of data. Usage has gone up in every home several folds. Several means several fold, and this has really impacted this has really given lot of money from April onwards to these companies that we will see. Now, if we really see the total sector, GTPL, DEN and Hathway, this is acquired by the Reliance Group. Friends, if you really see, their EPS is very poor, the book value is poor, price to book value, P, everything, they see against P against 27.3. DEN Network is 27.97 and Hathway virtually has no sales, no, even if the sales is there is no profit. There are no earnings. And this is actually reflected here. The net profit percentage is only 2.93. But April onwards, what has happened? Now this is actually a magic which has happened everywhere. Now if you really see EBITDA, what is EBITDA? EBITDA is the net money company gets in hand for future use. they can expand, they can buy machinery, they can buy technology, whatever they want. Now these figures in bracket which I have written are basically the last year figures, and these basically are the current figures. Fine. So you can see how this actually they have gone up. They are all in crores, from 69 to 321, and from 381 to 245. Hathway has actually, no sorry, it is reversely written. I am sorry, this should be other way around. So the EBITDA margin, you see they have gone by 55% here with Hathway. With DEN Network, it has gone 363%, huge jump. And even in GTPL also, it has substantially gone up. So now I say, you see, if we leave all other parameters, then we find, that the money, cash which has come in hand in such a short span of time in this company is actually extraordinary. And the last point in this ratios, I would like to say, basically all are almost debt-free companies. There is virtually no debt at all. Yes, DEN Hathway is 2 rupees, 10 rupees, and 10 rupees is the face value. But basically, if all the parameters for the future if we see, then it is basically the EBITDA and EBITDA margin which have really contributed very well in a very short span of time. And in the coming years, it is going to be very highly and explosive. In DTH sector, all the financial ratios which we have seen in the previous slide, friends, they all will climb up like rockets. Every quarter after quarter for the next 10 years, this is going to be in a very high performance zone. So, be in the futuristic shares. That always I have been maintaining is that those shares which are the old economy shares now have to be left and be in the futuristic share. Let me tell you, all these shares which we have talked, that is of GTPL, Hathway and DEN Network, they are small ticket size, very small ticket size shares at present. But if you go and buy it after 2 years time, I really do not know what is going to be the price of these shares. Maybe in 2 years time it could be 10 folds from the present shares. So friends, now what we do here is that from here we will go and check the fundamentals. So remain with me and see this video completely, because it is going to change our lifestyle, it is going to change our earnings also. So here I have taken DEN Network. Here actually Mukesh Ambani has taken over the DEN Network on 20th of February, and you see how it has climbed. It is, see the slope, the way it has gone up in just about 3 months time. And same thing you see the Hathway also, which he has taken up, and it is growing. Friends, what I want to say is that they are small. See, this share is costing today only 35 rupees. What is this share? Is your Hathway, I believe this is Hathway. Yes, this is Hathway share at present is costing only 35 rupees. What is the 35 rupees? You can buy any number of shares. And just keep it with you and you will find that these shares will give you tremendous amount of money. What is this? Is nothing. And even if you see DEN Network also, friends, if you see, this is costing at present, the price is 79 rupees. It has closed on 28th of August at 79 rupees. So they are peanuts. They don't have any price right now. But after 4 or 5 years, they will be almost 100 times more than this. And same is with GTPL. GTPL, you see the slope. GTPL appears to be slightly in a better shape, fine. But nevertheless, the price of GTPL is it closed at 103. Now, friends, my suggestion to you is that please buy these shares, because I am going to buy, say whatever is my kitty I am having with me, I will keep about 10 to 15% and let it remain there for next about 3, 4, 5 years. And every week, every time we will watch the shares going up. These kind of shares, small ticket size shares, mid cap shares must be in our portfolio, because not generally I never keep mid caps or small caps in the portfolio. Mid caps I keep sometimes, but small caps I never keep. But these actually I have to keep for a reason. They are the futuristic shares. So friends, you have remained with me for some time. You have seen the future of DTH, and you know the future of DTH yourself. And I am very sure that if you buy these shares for a long period of time, you will definitely earn the money. But still I say one thing, that if you have purchased the share, keep an eye on the share. Also please ask your financial chartist or broker for these. My view, I have said yes, I am going to keep these stocks with me. Friends, thank you very much. Have a nice day, and please friends, subscribe, download, like and share this video. Thank you very much.